got a real bad habit spending every last time I own. And for a moment there I felt you really got the best of me. Cause I spent my last couple $100 on ecstasy. Now I'm singing. If I had a couple million, you might find me dead, wearing gold and platinum in my coffin bed. At least I died with dread. Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Before I go insane, before I lose my brain. Would you catch me if you can? Catch me if you can. Now I'm chillin' by the poolside, trying to live the high life. Pretend I'm on a cover of a magazine, but there ain't no cameras flashing to catch all of that magic. Just a broke boy wearing thrifty chic. There ain't no cure for the sick and sad lonely disease. Oh no, so I'ma run real fast till it catches up with me. You got me singing. If I had a couple million, you might find me dead, wearing gold and platinum in my coffin bed. At least I died with dread. Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Before I go insane, before I lose my brain. Would you catch me if you can? Catch me if you can. 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 Before I go insane, before I lose my brain. Would you catch me if you can?